Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting protection in Google Sheets now. Open the sheet and pick the range or entire sheet you want to lock. Once you've selected cells, right-click and choose Protect Range or Use Data Protect Sheets and Ranges from the menu. Give the protection a clear name so collaborators know purpose. Set the permission type immediately, either restrict who can edit or show a warning only. Explain why. Restricting edits prevents accidental changes and preserves formulas and references. Also consider locking critical columns like ID and totals. Now configure editors and exceptions carefully. Click Set Permissions, then choose specific people and add collaborators by email. Use Viewer Only for most users. Once done, click Done and test by opening the sheet in an incognito window or a colleague's account to confirm restrictions. For formulas, protect the exact ranges and leave input cells unlocked. If you need granular control, use custom formulas in protected ranges to allow edits only when certain conditions are met. Also consider version history checkpoints before major locks. Finalize the protection by documenting who has edit access and why, then save settings and notify collaborators. Once done, periodically review protections via data-protected sheets and ranges to adjust access as team changes. To remove protection, open the protection entry and click Delete. If something goes wrong, like unintended lockouts, use version history to restore an earlier copy, then immediately update permissions. Make sure to keep at least one owner with full access to avoid permanent lockouts. Also set clear naming conventions for protections to speed audit.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.